Welcome to Milopal. With Magento Custom Price extension by Milopal, you can create a custom payment page or product on your Magento store, with price to be entered by user. A buyer can enter the price and a comment if required. Add the product to cart and check out as usual. The order will get placed and admin can see the order in Magento admin as well separately. In order to set custom price for a product, just set custom price to yes for a product and set minimum price if required. Magento sites can accept custom payments for services, donations, top-up fees, support charges, course fees and others where predefined price is not feasible. Thank you.